Google Workspace features, strengths, weaknesses. Google Workspace, formerly G Suite, is Google's integrated suite of online productivity tools designed for businesses and organizations of all sizes. Key features include Gmail for business email, Google Drive for cloud storage, Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides for collaborative document creation, Google Meet for video conferencing, Google Calendar for scheduling, and Google Chat for instant messaging. Additionally, it offers Google Forms for surveys, Google Sites for simple website creation, and Google Keep for note-taking. Workspace is particularly well suited for businesses seeking a cloud-first, collaborative environment. Its real-time co-editing capabilities, centralized document storage, and seamless integration across applications are major selling points. The platform shines in environments where remote work and distributed teams are prevalent. Strengths of Google Workspace lie in its ease of use, affordability, and robust collaboration features. The intuitive interface requires minimal training, and the subscription-based pricing model offers flexibility. Its deep integration with the broader Google ecosystem, including Chrome and Android, further enhances its appeal. The real-time collaboration features are unparalleled, allowing multiple users to work on the same document simultaneously. However, Google Workspace also has weaknesses. Offline access, while available, is not as seamless as with traditional desktop applications, particularly for complex tasks. Security concerns, although addressed with robust security features and admin controls, are always a consideration when storing data in the cloud, requiring diligent management and adherence to best practices. Dependency on a stable internet connection is a significant drawback, hindering productivity in areas with unreliable connectivity. Furthermore, advanced formatting capabilities in Docs, Sheets, and Slides can sometimes lag behind those offered by Microsoft Office. Finally, while Workspace integrates well with other Google services, integration with third-party applications, while improving, can sometimes be less streamlined than with other productivity suites. In conclusion, Google Workspace offers a powerful and cost-effective solution for businesses seeking to enhance collaboration and productivity in the cloud. Its ease of use, strong collaboration features, and affordability make it a compelling choice for many organizations. However, it's crucial to carefully consider its limitations, particularly regarding offline access and potential integration challenges, before making a final decision. Weighing these factors against your specific business needs will determine if Google Workspace is the right fit for your organization.